In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Alaunos Therapeutics Inc., a clinical stage biotech company. Alaunos trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TCRT. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TCRT to locate Alaunos Therapeutics Inc. Confirm the search result matches the NASDAQ listing and open the stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to understand recent movement. Double-check the company name and NASDAQ ticker to ensure you have the correct asset. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a pending order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to visit the platform.